How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Dodge Super Bee. It's had a recent restoration done in its factory dark green metallic, white top, white interior. Super nice little car. Got the 383 in it. During the restoration they added the air grabber ram charger kit to it. Grills and the headlight bells all been reconditioned. Re-chrome front bumper. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got a new vinyl top. Got the Magnum 500 wheels. It's got the side scoop option. Just a super cool car. All the tail lights and tail panel moldings are in excellent condition. The rear bumper has also been re-chromed. All the glass in the car is very nice. It's got the original 383, which was rebuilt. It's all detailed real nice under the hood. It's got updated Edelbrock carb on it, electric choke. It's got the heavy-duty radiator. See the ram charger air grabber. They did the whole package, got the lever inside and everything. So all the jams are real nice. They did all new interior. It's original dash in it, all in really good condition. Shows 80,000 on the odometer. All new seat covers and door panels, carpet. It's got the front and rear seat belts. Original 4-speed. It's got a 8 3/4 posi with the, I believe it was a 323 gear. All inside the trunk looks real good. Tell you, these are just cool cars. And it's got an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. It looks like the original. Very nice upgrade. Just a super cool car. Very clean. Factory exhaust manifolds and the dual flows out the back. Correct tips. A little windy today here. A nice little cam in it. First lights, everything works. You can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. great day, folks.